Hari Om. Welcome to the Shevadhi channel. Dear viewers, I am going to demonstrate and describe AshtaVakrasana, an advanced arm balancing posture dedicated to the sage Ashtavakra. But before that, I would like to relate a very small story which has got two valuable lessons for us. Kahoda, the father of Ashtavakra, used to recite Vedas, which was heard by Ashtavakra even while in his mother's womb. Kahoda made a mistake once, and Ashtavakra laughed at the mistake. The father, in a fit of anger and rage, cursed the child be born with 8 deformities, and sure enough the child was born with 8 deformities. And it was named as Ashtavakra. Ashta means 8 in Sanskrit, Vakra means crooked or bent. Kahoda was once involved in a debate with the scholars in the court of King Janaka. He lost the debate and was imprisoned based on the condition of the debate. Ashtavakra was very disappointed. He wanted to avenge the defeat of his father, went to the court of King Janaka and sought a debate so that he could release his father. The scholars, on seeing this unusually formed or deformed Ashtavakra, made fun of him and ridiculed him. Ashtavakra remained calm and told the king, "I came here to debate with scholars, but all I see is a bunch of shoemakers who look at the skin of a person and make superficial judgments." King Janaka was taken aback by such a statement and agreed to the debate, which Ashtavakra won. The king was so impressed with his scholarly skills, made him the spiritual advisor. Kahoda was also released from the prison and was overjoyed with his son's performance, went to the river and removed the deformities from the body of Ashtavakra. An amazing story. Now the two lessons. Anger management. It strongly recommends that we avoid speaking or acting or make any hasty decisions when we are angry. Otherwise, we might regret it our entire life. The second one, yoga welcomes everybody under its fold and umbrella. It does not discriminate based on size, age, color, race, or religion. And most of all, not to make a decision based on appearance. Very valuable and relevant lessons for all of us. Now back to AshtaVakrasana. The benefits of AshtaVakrasana as an arm balancing posture, it flows from your palms, wrists, elbows, shoulders. Strengthens the core, legs, spinal cord, and also the mental balance, the mental and physical body balance. It can be done in 2 ways. One while you're in Dandasana, the second while you're in Uttanasana. The first type while in Dandasana. Sit with your legs stretched out in front of you, hands by your side, lift your left leg up, place it on your left shoulder, hands back on the side, bring your right leg towards your left leg and lock them. Lift your body up, take your legs towards your left, keep straightening them till they are absolutely straight and hold it there. Hold it for as long as you can. Once you are done, come back to Vajrasana. This is type 1. Type 1 is Uttanasana while you are standing and bending forward. So stand up, exhale as you bend forward. Palms on the floor. Take your palms forward. Your right leg forward. Bring your right hand from inside and place it next to your right leg. Now adjust your left hand and left leg. Bring your left leg forward and lock it with your right leg. Now lift your body up. Take your legs to the right. Try to straighten them up. And then hold it. Hold it for as long as you can. Once you're done, back to Vajrasana. This, dear viewers, is AshtaVakrasana. With patience, focus, perseverance and determination, you can achieve this posture step by step. Don't give up. I wish you all the best. Hari Om.